Hello, if you want to set up the voicemail on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, first of all you need to go to the phone app and all you need to do is press and hold 1 for 3 seconds. So if you press and hold it for 3 seconds, you will dial the voicemail, and now all you need to do is simply hear what it is being said to you and follow the instructions in order to set up your own voicemail. Now, if nothing happens when you press and hold 1 for 3 seconds, then you need to go to the settings over here in the top right corner, tap on these 3 dots and tap settings. Now here we need to scroll down and go to voicemail, and you will need to set up the voicemail number. Now in my case, I already had my voicemail number entered. However, in your case, there might be no voicemail, and in order to get the proper voicemail that you need to use, you'll need to get it from your carrier or your provider. You can, for instance, try to Google the name of your provider and then the voicemail number. There is a high chance you will actually find it really quickly by doing so. And after you enter the voicemail number over here, you can press OK and then try one more time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.